from us now, though.
Oh, maybe he flew out the other side, hopefully.
Is it open on here?
Yeah, my other window's open.
I didn't see him fly out there. Did you?
We have to make sure he's out of there before I get in there. I can tell you that much right now. Because if I start driving and all of a sudden it starts attacking me.
Did he fly out and we didn't see him?
Yeah, he must have flew out.
Right, that's weird. We should have a sign fly out.
I will drive off the street and cause a 20-car pileup. It's got to be gone.
Nope, it's not.
Oh my God, where is it? Ooh!
Okay, now he's gone.
It got out? So that's why I wanted to record it.
Did you record it?
Yeah. Oh, that scared me. Where was it?
It was down there.
You sure it flew out?
Yes.
You
Did
positive?
you see
Yeah,
that?
I saw it flew.
All right. 'Cause we can't. We have to be sure about that. Holy crap. I hate birds. With their beaks
It
and their
was cool
talons.
though. It was a really
was
like
pretty.
a Lamar cardinal.
My hero. My hero. Ah, good job. All right, I can drive home now. Oh, can you imagine if I would have been driving?
Yeah.
I swear to God. Oh man, that bird would have pecked me to death and got me with its talons.